If there's one thing crypto is famous for, it's the wild ride. Euphoric booms followed by brutal crashes. Let's map the waves. Crypto moves in dramatic cycles. A euphoric boom pulls in new users and money. New manias inflate. Then a brutal crash, a crypto winter, wipes much of it out before the next recovery begins. The 2020 to 2021 bull run had it all: DeFi summer, the NFT boom, and the first big wave of institutions entering crypto. Then 2022 brought the reckoning. The TerraUSD collapse triggered failures at Three Arrows Capital, then Celsius and Voyager, and months later contributed to the spectacular implosion of FTX. Dominoes, all roped together. Each cycle pulls in new believers, inflates new manias, and ends in new disasters, like tides reshaping the beach, over and over. Boom, bust, repeat. But out of the 2022 wreckage, something changed. Next, crypto grows up, ETFs, big institutions, and real regulation. Subscribe.